Raisa or Kai Montedora.
As a male youthful icon in the television and movie industry, the PAFTA Youthful Icon of the Year Award, male category goes to Mr. Andres Mula.
Both Kai and Andres are the icons, the youth icons of the year.
Good evening po. I would just like to take this time to thank PAFTA for this recognition. It is truly an honor to be here tonight on the stage to receive this award. First, please allow me to thank all of you for being here tonight. And I would also like to thank everyone that has supported me and that continues to support me in this amazing journey. I just want all of you to know that I appreciate you all and I love you all. Thank you again, and amen.
Amen.
Hello everyone, good evening. Again, I'm Kai Montenola. Before I thank anyone else, I'd like to thank my Star Magic family and Kuya Eric who's right here right now, Kuya Beck, Kuya Cesar, and my team. Thank you, PAFTA, for having me here. I'm so honored to be recognized as the female category's youth icon. This will truly remind me that, you know, it's not what I have right now. My persona is not only who I am tonight, not who I am right now as a person, but it is also a platform that I should be very responsible of using. And as Uncle Ben said to Peter Parker before he even became Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. And I take that to heart talaga. Kaya salamat po and amen.
Amen.
Amen! Ladies and gentlemen, this year's youth
Congrats. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Message lang sa supporters mo, kahit ano.
Hello, supporters. Thank you so much